all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Yeah, I know Eafengrow's back on the channel, but hey, let's get real for a moment, okay? I understand a lot of these guys are clones or knockoffs or whatever, or something else, but they are, in my opinion, one of the best budget blade companies out there. If you break this, if you destroy this, you're not going to get all cranky and butthurt about it. Today, we're going to take a look at the Eafengrow EF16 Folding, you know. The Eafengrow names are so long, and I don't know why, but this is what I don't get. Multi-tool. I don't get it. Ugh. Anywho, here she is. Now, when I saw it, I instantly looked at the scales with the cross marks on there, and I thought to myself, okay, I like it. It reminded me of something that another company did, and I was like, well, all right, not too bad. I really like the fact it's got a nice size to it, but it has a gentleman's folder blade look to it. And you guys know I really love those gentleman folders. So I said, okay, pulled the trigger, brought it to the channel. Now, one of the things with Eafengrows that I really want to stress, they go out of stock real quick. Like, I bought this one a while ago, tried looking it up on Amazon, wasn't there. Then, last week, it popped up. So I was like, okay, here we go again. But let's get into the fun stuff like we always do. We got an overall length of about 8.42 inches. Hold on, let me move that closer. Blade's about 3.74. Closed, it's about 4.68. With a very, very minor weight to it of 3.76 ounces. Now, as you can see, we do have that wonderful plain edge. They're telling me it's got a flat grind. Now, you can either call this like a drop point or a spear point. You make your decision. To me, it's a little bit drop pointy, but, you know, some people like calling it something different. I do love that stonewash finish. I seriously do. As you guys know, it's one of my favorite ones out there. If it's black stonewash, I'm buying immediately. But still. Now, the blade steel, here we go. We're going to talk about this shit again. They say it's D2. Now, it's got a 58 to 60 Rockwell rating. Now, before the hate mongers come, I understand, especially on my channel. I had a PMI test done on an Eafengrow blade before. It wasn't D2 steel. D2 steel not that long ago used to be a super steel that everybody really, really wanted to have, and you paid extra to get it. Now, with new steels that have come on the market, D2's price range has gone down. So if you believe it's D2, great, it's D2. If you believe it's something else, that's cool. For the price point, I'm not going to really complain if it's HCR 13 MLV. I'm just not. We do have a stainless steel frame with a liner lock. It does have a flipper open, but I'll tell you, I've had some experiences where it just sticks a little. But, you know, it is kind of buttery smooth because according to them, they do have those, like, ceramic ball bearing washers in there. So, okay. Or ceramic ball bearing pivot. Excuse me. If it is, it is. I haven't broken it down. Excuse me, ball bearing pivot. There we go. Now, we do have two olive drab green G10 scales. Now, I like that aspect, but you could have, I don't know, made it like a reversible pocket clip, possibly. Anywho, we do have a lanyard hole, which conveniently is located on the back, and I was able to slip paracord with the guts in there through it, no problem. I just kind of had to burn and smash one end a little to get it through. It went through it, no problem. Only one way to carry it, right-hand carry, tip up. Yes, it is made in China, but they do have a U.S. distributor based out of Lexington, Kentucky, which I found out when I got a package from Amazon, and they had the return address of Eafengrow, Lexington, Kentucky on there. You can find them on Instagram at Eafengrow. Not really going to find them anywhere else other than Amazon and Instagram. Oh, I'm sorry. The scales you can get in 3 different colors. Olive drab green, blue, and just once. Just once. Everyone say it with reverence for Doc P91B. Jade. That's right. Jade. I like messing with Doc a little because jade scales are like his kryptonite. But still. Alright, let's get to the cut tests like we usually like to do here on the channel. Now, if you're curious why we're about to do these 3 cut tests, take a look right up top. There's a card for why do the cut tests. First one up, like usual, Heavy duty stock paper. Woo. It's a satisfying sound. A little bit of snowfall. Okay. Let's see if we can get a curlicue. Yeah, I kind of figured that. Okay. Oh, hey, there's an itty bitty little one. Reason why I go for those things is anyone can just take a blade, run it across, and go sharp if it cuts. But if you maintain that angle, you pull across real slow, real steady, that should show you if there's any micro abrasions, pitch chips, any of that other wonderful stuff on the blade. And you should get that little curlicue effect of the paper curling back in on itself. And yeah, you can see me. It's got a lot of snowfall on the blade. Whew. All right, Bill Rivers, pay attention. Paracord. Yes, this is still from that God blessed mother of the don't want to get myself demonetized batch. Pull test. Oh, dear Lord in heaven. All right. Seriously? Shut up, Bill. I can hear you all the way out here laughing. I can hear it. But look at that. Son of a motherless goat. Slice test. Okay. It's got to be the damn paracord. I mean, seriously, it's got to be. We're coming to the end of that batch. I'm seriously down to like maybe my last 8 strands of that crap. Anywho, Mr. Ratchet Strap. There we go. Alright. Let's take a look at the blade like we usually do. I don't really see anything. So, okay. Now, we did all the homework, all that fun stuff on August 26, 2021. And it is currently, September 3rd, 2021. The only place you can find this thing is on Amazon. It's going to run you $20, $19.99. It's got a 4.5 out of 5 star reviews. It's going to be 4.5 out of 5 rating with 111 reviews. Yeah. I like the look of it. I like the fact it was kind of like a gentleman's blade kind of thing. I really like the fact it had like the flathead screws in here for, the pivot stuff. Make things really, really easy. No special tools to help take her apart. But, that's just part of the fun of Eafengrows. Okay, so, we're at that part of the video that I love the most. Ready for it, guys? Ready for it? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one's a nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? For the price point, I'm kind of right in the middle. I know it's Eafengrow. I know they're a hated brand. I know all that stuff. But if you want a good budget blade that maybe you could give as a gift, that if you break, that if someone borrows and something happens to, it's not a bad brand to start with. Now, with that fun stuff being said, if you guys like the insanity that you saw today, please give me a big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trip that algorithm and get this channel out there to other people who will deserve to see my insanity. Now, for you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you've got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very, very grateful that you chose this video. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Leave me a comment right down below, and let's see how we can change the course of the history of this channel. After you've done all that fun stuff, especially for you first-timers, take a look right down there. In just a moment or two, you're going to see a big old channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've knocked it out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that will let YouTube notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all know and love on YouTube, 2 will be popping up somewhere over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Eafengrow EF16 blah 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 folding knife, multi-tool, whatever. Whew. thanks so much for watching. I hope all of you have a great day, a safe day, and I'll see every one of you in our next video.